Hi everyone, my name is Denise Campos and I'm the Associate Director of Campus Activities. Today I'm going to be giving you an introduction to the St. John's Connect app. So St. John's University Connect is the St. John's mobile application. So the SJU mobile app is something that you're going to use for lots of different things. First of all, you may have seen it used most recently for the COVID-19 health and wellness screening that you'll be doing every day before you come to campus, if you're physically with us for the semester. The other things that you'll use it for are events, activities, and even your classes will be linked to it. Now, most importantly for you as student leaders, your club management tools will all be available to you in the St. John's app. So this is a transition from, if you were with us last year as a group officer, from Engage, where you've managed your budget and different things using that platform. We know it's a lot of different changes from year to year, but the good news is you'll already be using the St. John's University app for lots of other university-wide things. So now everything that you'll need is in one spot. So the first step is to download the app. So it's available both in the Apple Store, Apple App Store, and then the Google Play Store for Androids. So you can see in our little video here, we just downloaded it. So I'll play that one more time. So you can just search St. John's University Connect, hit that download button, and it should download pretty quickly. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to log in using your single sign-on. So this is your St. John's University credentials that you use to log into MySJU or any other St. John's related platform. So I'll play that one more time. And you're just going to choose students, faculty, staff when you're logging into the app for the very first time. Once you log in once, it does keep you logged in, which is pretty good. Next thing that you want to do is check out your home page. It'll ask you if you want to allow notifications. I suggest allowing them so that you get important university updates in real time. And then this brings you to your home screen. So you'll notice that your home screen has a couple of different things that I'll point out to you. First of all, it gives you a nice personalized greeting. Next, it goes over the weather for you so you can know what to wear hopefully before you leave your room if you're on campus physically. The next thing you'll see here is this campus pass. That's the COVID screening that I mentioned before. And then upcoming events, any events that you add to your agenda will show up here. So whenever you're browsing events on the app, you'll see the option to add them. So that's what you would do, and then they would populate in your calendar here. And then down here at the bottom, your notifications will be here. You can see one of my test notifications is listed there. And then there's more notification navigation buttons along the bottom. So home button, community, search, agenda, and then resources. Probably the easiest place to start is that search button. So now this video is going to go over how to navigate to your club page. So I just clicked that magnifying glass for search. Then I went over to groups, and then you can just type in the name. I'm going to type in the name of a test club. And then you find your group, click on it, and then you're there. So once you're in your group page, once you find it, all of you as club officers will already been given group officer permissions. In the app, it's only listed as group officer. It's not listed as your specific position, just for ease of using the app. So don't worry if you see only group officer. That's totally normal. That's how we're categorizing you just for the purpose of the app. So there's a couple of different group management tools that you can explore. First one you'll see over here is a discussion board. That's really just a forum for you and your members to chat. Events is a place that you can actually create club events, which is nice. It also allows you to have members RSVP to things and add them to their own calendar. Files, you can share group files and documents, maybe it's your club constitution or anything, really pertinent to your club. About is where you view your officers and your members. So all of your, member list, active member list will be here. Your advisor will also be listed here. And then the Manage tab. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time in the Manage tab in this video because SJI will actually be filming a whole separate video since that's where all of your budget and finance tools lie. So this video is going to kind of show you some of those features in action. So right now I'm just writing a test discussion on the discussion post. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Under events, you can click add new event, type in your event title. I'm just going to select this as an all-day event to make it go a little bit quicker. Set your dates. You can even repeat an event. So for something like a general body meeting, that's really useful. Since all of our club events are virtual, you can actually just type that in, or maybe type in Zoom or WebEx or whatever platform you're using. And then you can add a description. So I'm going to type in, this is a test event. You can add some more details though when you're doing a real event. And that's it. And then that will add that to your group. Under files, you can share your group files. You can share photos. So I'm just going in and uploading a random photo here from my camera roll. So again, pretty straightforward. And then that'll live in there so that you and your members can see it as well. Your About tab, you can actually edit more information in that, and then it shows your members. And then Manage. So again, Manage is where I mentioned you'll see more from SGI. You can edit the group, you can request funding, you can manage expenses, you can even do surveys. So under the Edit Group tab, if you were to click up here, this actually allows you to add a photo, like a cover photo, to give a description for your group. A lot of it will be preloaded for you, but if you ever want to make changes, that's where you would do it. And finally, of course, you want to promote your page. So I just showed you a couple of different features that we have. And of course, you want to have members for your group. So you want to show students where they can go to get updates from you, to learn about your events. So you can have students just search for your group in the app and then hit this join button. So I'm already joined in this test group, but it'll say join when you're first going into it. So they just hit that join button and then they're listed as a member. There are different permissions you can set for different membership levels. So we can go over all that in more specifics pertaining to your actual group. But that's really it. We just wanted to give you a quick overview of the different tools that are in the St. John's Connect app. And as a reminder, check out the student government budget session. Our treasurer, Amy, went over lots of different details that you need to know for managing your club budget and earned income this semester. Thanks, everyone.